Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of travel essentials with the SMONT Tactical Toiletry Bag for Men. A versatile 9.5-inch hanging Dopp kit designed to keep your grooming and hygiene products organized on the go. Crafted with durability in mind, this bag is perfect for the modern traveler who values both style and functionality. Its spacious interior and multiple compartments ensure that everything from your shaving kit to your toothbrush has its own dedicated space, making packing and unpacking a breeze. The hanging feature allows you to easily access your essentials in any bathroom, whether you're at a hotel or camping in the great outdoors. Made from high-quality materials, this toiletry bag is built to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining a sleek and professional appearance. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined organization with the SMONT Tactical Toiletry Bag, your new travel companion for all your adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.